Hi there. Today we're checking out the BOMEI PACK 10-inch black stretch wrap, a durable and heavy-duty packing essential. This stretch film is 80 gauge thick, 950 feet long, and perfect for moving, storing, and protecting household items. Its 10-inch width strikes the perfect balance, making packing faster and more flexible compared to smaller or larger wraps. The self-adhering black film sticks tightly to itself, ensuring your items stay secure without loosening. With up to 500% stretch, it easily wraps tightly and holds strong during transport. Plus, the black color offers excellent privacy, keeping your packed goods hidden from prying eyes. Whether you're organizing, moving, or shipping, this stretch wrap makes the job easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.